Bitcoin is trading at insane prices right now. Is there only up? We're gonna have a look at the charts. We're gonna have a look at render. You guys need to be careful. We'll have a look at what the charts tell us, not what we think. We will have a quick look what the liquidation heat map tells us. And we're gonna discuss what could happen if the Ethereum ETF gets accepted on July 23. So welcome guys, I would appreciate a like, comment, and if you would subscribe to this channel, and let's start into it. Since our low of about 54,000 US dollars, we've only seen move up. What does this mean for us? Are we ever gonna see prices like this below again? And what it has to do with this important resistance zone. So if we focus on the charts and keep our emotions in place, we are clearly in a downtrend that potentially could be broken pretty soon. Personally, I do not think that we are going to see prices like this in this next correction. There are a few things that have to happen before we see prices like this again. We have the EMAs, we have the MAs, which are amazing supports for us. Let's have a look at the updated BTC short-term charts. We can see that we are still clearly in an uptrend, which we are overextending. In my opinion, what the charts tell us is that we could retrace into the area of about 60,000 to 58,000. Does this gonna mean that we are gonna drop like this, straight in a line down? No, of course not, guys. This could be a normal and healthy correction in this area before we get the next pump into essentially new all-time highs. And this is what I'm going to be focusing at. If we get a retest of these lows, I'm going to long this. And what am I going to be targeting it? My thesis, guys, not as many other YouTubers that tell you we could go up, we could go down, blah, blah, blah. I do think if we get a daily close above 71 to 72,000, this resistance does not count anymore, is not valid anymore, and we're gonna see the next pump essentially into the region of 85,000 US dollars. So overall, guys, I'm pretty bullish at BTC right now. Keep in mind, we did see a strong move to the upside, which usually leads to a correction, which then essentially comes again. If we have a look at the 3 month charts at the liquidation heat map, we can see where is the point of interest for market makers. It's at the levels that I told you, 72,000 to 73,000, which we can see on this map. But guys, pay attention, we have insane amounts of liquidity below us that market maker could potentially take from us. I do think we'll potentially see a flash crash and get straight back up, something like this. So overall, I am still pretty bullish. Now let's have a quick look what is up with render and what you guys have to do. But before I tell you what to do, please be careful of scams. On the official website of the Render Network Foundation, there is an article about what you guys can do and should do to upgrade from RNDR to Render. It is going to change the network from ETH to Solana, which I do think is the right move. Here's the list of centralized exchange which you can use to send your render to, which are going to do the upgrade by itself. So you just have to put your render at an exchange and they will do everything automatically. I'm going to have the link to this site on the link in the description. So if you want to read it for yourself, just have a look at the description. The second largest crypto asset, Ethereum, is going to get an ETF. It is going to be launched at July 2023. Then we can see where the ETF is going to be launched. For example, FunEgg and Fidelity. What this ETF could mean for Ethereum and how much prices can go, we will discuss in another video, but stay tuned. Ethereum is going to skyrocket pretty soon. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick informative video. We talked about BTC, Ethereum, and RNDR, which is going to be rendered pretty soon. I would appreciate a like, comment, and a subscription. See you guys in the next video.